doing this so far. You never know me can come back because I tell you already, if I love Jamaica, I'll be in Jamaica very often. Once I come down there and I love it, I'll be there often because sometimes you can get ticket from Toronto for $300. I paid a good penny because it's carnival this time. But when I check it out, like you can get tickets from Toronto to Jamaica for $300. So like I said, if I like it, if I enjoy it, I'm going to come there often. Let's see how the first one goes. Your birthday is April 30th. Oh, nice, Nangumu. Oh, your birthday is when? Next week. 28. Let me see, 27, 20. Wednesday. Next week, week after Wednesday is your birthday. I'm going to love it. I hope I do. I think I will. Rose got to carry me to Dungs River. Or Rose can't go river. Rose not like river.
Whether they can't climb the fall.
Which falls?
The fall.
Rosealee can't climb fall, it's crazy. Yeah, for Rosealee now. Rosealee can't climb fall. Thank you, I am that girl. Thank you. So. Rosealee tell you can't climb fall. Rosealee can climb falls. Thank you, Nango Rose.
Yeah, what man work there? We carry people who can't walk.
Oh, you live in America? Okay. Rose, you can climb falls? Huh?
Yeah.
I believe you. Go ahead.
Yeah, man, work. We carry people up on the rock.
Oh, somebody take you up there. Okay. Thank you, Nango Rose. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
Who can walk fast?
So they go carry Rose.
Over people, when you go to my wife, I go up on the
No, what I'm saying, you say who can't walk fast, them will carry them.
Yeah,
right?
Everybody want like a train and go up.
You know, when we want to go, I want to go with the one where they hold the string, the rope, and they jump in the river. Which river is that? Derrick, I understand. Which one is that? With the old and funny rope? Thank you, Niagara Rose. With the old and funny rope?
I'll be here forever.
Hold on, don't send the rose yet, Niagara Rose. Niagara Rose. Niagara Rose, don't send the rose yet.
More than ever.
Them two are the funny like
we still have each other. 3 rose track.
Guys, 3 rose. Nanga Rose, you can send it now. Blue Hole, I want name Blue Hole. Nanga Rose, Nanga Rose. Nanga Rose, send it now. Guys, 3 roses. Thank you, Nanga Rose. Guys, 2 more roses. Anybody who did not send a rose, let's catch the speed, please. 2 more roses, guys. Let's go, please. Come on, guys. We can do this. Come on, my royals. My royals, we can do this. 2 more roses, my royals. My royals, let's go. Pauline, thank you so much. You have just
one more person with a rose.
1 more rose. 1 more before. Come on, guys. 752 people, 1 rose. Oh, God. Just 1. No, Nanga Rose. It's another person who didn't send to catch the speed. Oh my God, we'll never catch it. Jesus. Thank you, Nanga Rose, and thank you, Pauline. Appreciate you. Yeah, man. Huh?
You want to go ahead now?
Me? Yeah, since 8 o'clock video. I did the interview, then I was on live with Queenie for a while. Thank you for sharing the live. Appreciate it. What did you say?
Oh, let me see when you're up on that live.
Yeah.
I'm pass through.
Appreciate you. That person look like a rose, eh? Rose in an put so much. Oh my gosh, she left. I appreciate you, Nanga Rose. And what's her name? She was just a while ago here gifting me. I appreciate you so much. You left already.
Right.
Yes.
Right, more you buy something when you come.
What do you want, baby girl?
1 Type-C charger.
A what?
Charger.
For what kind of phone?
iPhone.
What iPhone do you have?
iPhone 15 Pro Max.
Okay, so you want to
The
charge it?
card. Yeah, the card more.
What do you mean the card? You just want a charger?
Yeah, the bottom.
Oh, you have the you just want the card. Okay, I get that. And it's tomorrow, so if I was gonna go to buy some phone case for myself, you know, I was gonna
Buy
change
it for
my.
me, please. Make sure you do, cause this a fuck itself.
Do me a favor, please. When you come out, text me on WhatsApp. So maybe
Please remember to buy it in the Apple Store. That one, I don't know what do it.
That's where I'm
It
going
was
to.
a work a while ago. What the fuck, this man?
I'm going to. I don't buy no charger other than the Apple Store. The other one is a cheap charger. Then I go.
Yeah, iPhone 15 Pro Max.
Right. Just write it down for me in the WhatsApp. I may remember because I gotta go there tomorrow. I have to go buy.
That's it, you know.
Okay, tell me now. Because I gotta go buy a Beats headphone tomorrow too. Because when me depend on that plane, me need that Beats headphone. Sure. And let me just travel. She have plug. Yeah, she have the plug. She just want the. But Rose, if I get the whole plug and everything, I'll just bring the whole thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, just bring the whole thing. Safe travels, boy. Thank you. I'm still gonna be here, Nangar. I'm leaving Monday. So I still have the interview tonight and an interview thing on Sunday. The show that
Yeah, one more interview. You're doing interview tomorrow to Thursday?
I have an interview tomorrow, Thursday with Z, and then I have Sunday. I have the All Talent, and that's it. 2 weeks. I'm not going do no interviews and no show. Rose, somebody was telling me to do in-person interview. Would you want to do one with me?
Yeah.
Like when I come to Jamaica, they were telling me I should do that. Like when I meet up TikTokers and stuff, just interview them. That's a great idea.
Where's the rest of the interview? Where you going to set it up?
I didn't get that.
We are going to set up the interview.
What am I gonna tell you? Ask you in the interview?
No, man, we are going to set it up. We are going to keep it.
No, you just set it up wherever you at. Like wherever you at. Oh my God, the 3 points. If I had a money gun on this would have. Anybody said I'm money? Look when the 3 points come when the gift has them gone. Nyanga Rose, you have a money gun. If you have a money gun, send it on this one, please. Nyanga Rose, it's gonna go to 1,000 points. Look when the 3 points come when the gift has them gone. Oh my God, on this, please. It's money gun in your bed. Oh, it's a bad time. Oh crap! Don't send the roses yet. You see, on the 3 points, the money gun is really good.